Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jamie. I am so glad you are here. This channel is all about essential oils, natural living, DIYs, and a tiny living space. These are just the natural things that my family does, and I'm here to share them with you. Excited to learn more about these different items that I just mentioned, hit that subscribe button, hit that link button. I would love to have you follow along. Every week I am sharing new videos of new things that I have been doing at home for our family. So this week is about an important topic because here in Southern California it has hit the 80s, and that means it is sunscreen weather for us because we are pale-skinned, freckled, red-headed little family, and we need sunscreen. We get sunburned. Even my husband, he went swimming the other day for 2 hours to do this workout thing that he does, Deep End Fitness. Came home sunburnt, and he got a little bit of sun fever where he was just overheating at night, but then also had the chills, and he just didn't feel good. So he's decided sunscreen is his new best friend. But here's the deal. Most sunscreen is toxic. Most sunscreens have chemicals and have toxins in them that actually are poisoning your skin. So we all knew growing up that you wear sunscreen to protect your body from the UV radiation, which causes skin cancer, according to the science. Well, what about the sunscreens that are putting more toxicities into your body, disrupting your endocrine system, destroying the coral reefs? Who knows what else is destroying in the oceans, and causing other forms of cancer in your body? Like, why are we replacing one bad thing with another bad thing? Makes no sense. Completely illogical. So I've been doing lots of research and trying to figure out best sunscreens. There's lots of options out there. Young Living has come out with their own, which I love, 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 and I'm so excited about, especially when I learned that Hawaii has banned hundreds, I'm telling you, of different types of sunscreens from being in Hawaii because they're destroying the coral reef. If they're destroying the coral reef, just think about what they're doing to your body and to your kids' bodies. Okay, that is why sunscreen is such an important topic to me. So these two right here are actually Young Living sunscreens. This one specifically, Young Living sunscreen always comes in a bottle like this. This is the 50 SPF. They also have, I think, a 10 is the other option. Very thick. I like to put it on Abby straight on like this because it's super thick and I know it's going to be super protectant of her skins. But I hate putting this on myself because there's just it's not a big container, and I have a lot more of me, and my husband has even more of himself, and it takes a long time. Definitely put it straight like this on my face. But I have a fun DIY hack that I just created behind me, and I'll show you guys what I do instead. But straight on here, it actually says that it is safe for the reef, which is great. There's no toxicities, there's no chemicals in it, there are essential oils in here. The cool part about essential oils is they will infuse deeper into your skin and into your body all of the goodness and the nutrients that you need, which is awesome. So we love this sunscreen, but I decided to do a little hack. This is my hack. I got this spray bottle off of Amazon. I peeled this label off of a different bottle that I had. And what it is I took this entire bottle and dumped it in here. The entire bottle was probably about half full. This is like, I think this is a 16-ounce bottle, and this is a 3-ounce bottle. Good to know. So you do about twice, whatever the amount of sunscreen is, you would double that with coconut oil. So it thins the whole thing out, and you can spray it on your skin, which makes it so much easier to put sunscreen on. I mean, this is why we all use the spray sunscreens, right? Fun fact, by the way, I had leftover spray sunscreen last summer in our house, and we had a huge ant infestation. Oh my God, there were ants everywhere. It was disgusting. And we don't have Raid because Raid is straight poison, which is great for killing ants, but think about what else it's killing in your house. And I have a baby and we have dogs, and I was just like, no, we're not keeping Raid in the house. So I actually used this old sunscreen. I think it was like a copper tone tanning sunscreen that I used when I was in high school. And I sprayed the ants. It killed all of them. Like, there was just rows of dead ants. And they never came back to where I sprayed the sunscreen. So, note to self, the sunscreen literally kills animals. Literally kills animals, which I thought was hilarious. So now the rest of that sunscreen I keep for ant killer. But this will help protect against the UV rays, but it will also protect your skin from the nasty chemicals. The active ingredient is zinc, and zinc is really great for protecting your skin. Okay, the other thing I wanted to show you guys, which is super fun, I do this sometimes when I'm not going out for super long periods of time, or going to have lunch with people or whatever and I'm just in the sun. It's carrot seed oil. It's pure carrot seed oil. It's like a coconut oil or an avocado oil or an olive oil. It's a thicker oil. So this is not an essential oil, but it does have natural properties in it that will help block UV rays, which is really cool. It's also got some vitamin A in it, and it's great just for your natural skin health. So sometimes I'll just put this on when I'm going out for like lunch and stuff and I don't want to have to put on a full sunscreen routine, or if it's like winter but the sun is still out here and I could still get a little red, because I am a redhead, so I am fair and I get it anyway. So with this, you have to kind of shake it. Once you put it in there, shake the whole thing, make sure it gets super liquidy, and then you will squeeze the top and it'll spray onto your skin in kind of like a stream form, and then you can just kind of rub it straight in. Super easy, super quick, really great to do. Coconut oil is great to infuse moisture into your skin and help it to retain water and just look glowy and dewy, which is nice. So that is it. This is my hack on sunscreen and my speech to say this summer, guys, get ready to protect your skin, protect your body, protect your family's bodies, use some good healthy sunscreen, and here's a great hack. I hope you enjoy it. If you liked learning about this DIY hack, if you enjoyed learning about some natural goodness for your home, I share about these all the time. Go and subscribe to my page, like this video, share it with your friends. Thanks, and we will see you next week.